Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Power cycle the modem and router, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait about 2 minutes. While that reboots, inspect cables and LED indicators. A solid WAN light matters. On your device, make sure Wi-Fi is on, airplane mode is off, and any VPN or proxy is temporarily disabled. Once done, note the error message and network name so you can target the next steps accurately. This saves time and avoids repeated guesswork. Next, repair the device network stack to clear transient faults. On Windows, open a command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew, follow with ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS or Linux, use the equivalent renew and flush commands. Then change DNS to public servers, set 8 or 1 in the adapter or router to bypass flaky ISP resolution. Make sure your local firewall or router parental controls aren't blocking outbound connections. Adjust rules and finish by isolating the fault. Ping 8 to check raw connectivity, then ping example. COM to confirm DNS. If ping to IP works but domain fails, DNS is the problem. If both fail, try a phone hotspot. If that connects, the router or ISP is at fault. As a last resort, back up your router config and perform a factory reset, then reconfigure. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, note timestamps and LED patterns and call your ISP. They can trace
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.